So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run Kali on using Oracle VirtualBox. Now for example, this is the Oracle VirtualBox that I have installed on my system. You can easily get it from any of the browser you have. For example, if I search here Oracle VirtualBox, it's an open source software, so I can quickly get it from here only. Just simply hit on this option of download and you can easily download and install the VirtualBox. Now once you have the VirtualBox, just simply hit on this option of new, or you can just simply hit on this option of open as well. Now simply browse to the Kali Linux file that you have downloaded. You can easily download it as well in the browser only just by searching Kali Linux right there. Once you search it, under this download section, you will find the virtual box for Kali here. Now download it and open this file in Oracle VirtualBox and you'll good to go with Kali Linux without even installing it on your system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.